It's a new 2019 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Doing it right, doing it with ease. Heavy payloads are just what this truck was built for. Features include intercooled turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Truck Trend writes, it offers what could be the best pickup styling in the industry and a high-class quiet interior in a more capable package. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.